Midnight is the mostly black one. Right there. She's my little baby. She's coming because she hears me and she sees me. And I haven't seen her in so long. And she's a little love bug. Hi, baby. Hi, baby. Hi, Midnight. I actually showed her this year. She's my little baby. She's a little... Oh, hi, Mana. You're my favorite. Oh, yes, you are. Oh, yes, you are. Yes, you are. She's really good at getting those weird-looking nose photos, as they can see. Who's mooing? This is Mana. Oh, hi, Claudia. She's the moo maker. Midnight's trying to get all the pets that she can. She loves people. She loves them, loves them, loves them, loves them. And what she loves even more is neck scratches. And of course she's trying to eat me while I'm giving her neck scratches, as cows do. Oh, hi. Hi. No, I'm gonna stop recording so I can pet her. As long as I get a boop. Oh, there we go, boop.